back to the vlog, you guys, and welcome to Las Vegas. We are currently in Vegas for a few days, and I thought I would share with you guys our Las Vegas night routine. We're staying at the Wynn. This is our favorite hotel to stay at. We either stay at the Wynn or Encore, which is like the sister hotel. They're pretty much on the same property, but we mainly stay on the Wynn side. We just love it here. We love the restaurants here. The shopping here is great. So I feel like if you come to Vegas and you're looking for a really nice hotel, you're looking for great service, you're looking for really good restaurants, really good shopping, really nice pools, and you don't want to leave the hotel, we love the Wynn for that. Also, if you want to party, they have Access nightclub, which is like a nightclub, and then they have Delilah's, which is so nice. You can have dinner there, and then they always have like live entertainment. And it's kind of hard to get reservations. We've always been really lucky where we just come and we talk to concierge and they find us a table somehow. So every single time we've come, we always go to Delilah's, which we will probably go there tonight after dinner just to have a drink or two. We're actually going to Sinatra for dinner. We're here with Yasmin and Valentin. So we're gonna go have dinner tonight, and today's actually Valentin's birthday, so it'll be the birthday dinner. And yeah, it's a super chill Vegas trip, which is why I thought it was perfect to show you guys kind of like our chill night Vegas night routine, because when Dennis and I come, this is kind of what we do. We just go to dinners, gamble a little bit, end up back in the room pretty early, we chill, we relax, all that good stuff. So we're gonna start getting ready. I am currently obviously in my robe. I just got out of the shower. Actually, I got out of the shower a little while ago. I was laying in bed watching Shark Tank. First day here, we did a little bit of gambling earlier. We went to eat at Jardín. So it was a really nice morning, and now it's time to get ready. So I'm gonna do my makeup, super light makeup. Per usual, I did my skincare. Skin looks good, nice and glowy. I forgot my little hair clips, which are the ones that I use to hold my hair back when I'm doing my makeup. But I found this headband in my, actually, let me see, I might have some in here. I tend to, no. I was gonna say, I tend to throw them everywhere, but the thing is that I dumped out my makeup bag when I was at home, and I just grabbed the makeup that I needed, but I didn't grab my little hair clips. So I'm just using this, but I'm hoping it doesn't create a dent in my hair. Pull the hair back and then just kind of do that. But let's get ready so that we are not late. We are ready. Makeup is done. Outfit is on. This is the dress that I'm wearing. It's from, I think it's from Princess Polly. It has a little slit on the side, so it's a little sexy, and then it has a square neck. I'm gonna add a little bit of this Summer Fridays lip butter. I feel like I look super pale from that angle. Deodorant, because you know. This is my favorite deodorant. It is from Mega Babe in Sunny Pits. It smells delicious, and it's a clean deodorant, and it just smells so good. I literally rave about it all the time because it smells so yummy. We're ready, and I'm taking my little bag, which is this one. That is literally one of my favorite purchases because I get so much use out of it. Such a good little bag, but we're ready for dinner. Just got out of dinner. Dinner was delicious.
God, I'm so sleepy.
I know, we're so tired. It's like 10:30 and we're like ready for bed to get into our PJs.
But it's just that the food was so good.
Food was amazing. I got the fruta de mare, which is a seafood pasta, spaghetti with scallops and shrimp. Bomb.
I got chicken.
And look what I got. My matches. Dennis remembers, so we got some matches. They had matches. Alright, you guys, we just got back to the room. I was gonna check my watch, but I actually left it here. It's like about 11:30, which is pretty early for us because normally when we come to Vegas with friends, we party, we go out, clubs, we do the lounges, the bars, all of that. But Yasmin and I literally planned the trip and we're like, it's gonna be chill. We're gonna have a super chill trip where we just go to dinners and gamble a little bit and things like that. But anyway, we are back. We did play a bit. We were playing Buffalo, Huff and Puff. No luck. Absolutely zero luck. So I just took off my shoes. I'm gonna get in the shower because it's so cold in the casinos, like freezing. So I like to get home or get to my hotel and shower, get into my PJs, and then go to bed super cozy. But I was telling you guys that Sinatra was so good. If you guys come to Encore or Wynn, I'm getting a cramp on my leg. Go to Sinatra, try to book a reservation. It's pretty easy to get a reservation there. It's not like it's not like a Delilah's where it's like super hard to get a reservation. It's pretty easy to get a reservation there. So if you guys come and you like Italian food, highly, highly recommend. I got the frutte de mare, which was a seafood spaghetti, and it had scallops and shrimp in a vodka sauce. Delicious, 10 out of 10. Yasmin said that was the best plate because she ordered a penne pasta, and then Dennis got chicken, Valentin got lasagna, and I got that, and she tried it and she was like, this is the best plate from the whole table. And I actually got that last time that we went to Sinatra because the first time I got a spaghetti and clams, which was so good. So we went back because that I was craving it. They didn't have it on the menu anymore, and it got replaced by the frutte de mare. So if you go, highly, highly recommend. And then I also got an espresso martini, which was yummy. And you know, I can't come to Vegas without getting a lychee martini. So we also got a lychee. But that was it. That was our night. We almost went. There's an outdoor bar called, I think it's called AFT. I think that's what it's called. It's like outdoor, really cute. And the weather's perfect. It is not hot. It's not cold. During the day, I think it hit 108. But right now, it's probably like a nice 80. So it would feel really nice. We're gonna go do that and just have like some coffee, but we got tired and we want to get up early tomorrow and go to the gym and, you know, go have breakfast, go to the gym and all of that. I have my Kindle here, which I can't wait to get to it. So I'm gonna shower, get in my PJs, and get in bed and read my book. I don't even know if I've told you guys, but I started reading this book called In the Likely Event is what it's called, and the writer is Rebecca something. I posted about it on Instagram, and quite a few of you guys DM'd me and said that I was gonna love her books. So this is my first book that I read of hers. You guys know I was like on a Colleen Hoover kick, and then I discovered Ellen Hilderbrand. Is that her name? Helen? Why could I not think of her name? But Hildebrand, the one that writes all the books based in Nantucket. Absolutely love her. I would say she's probably one of my top favorite authors. But this book is also written really good, and I really love the story so far. I feel like it hooked me right away. Like chapter 1, I was already hooked. So the way that it's being told from POV of the two main, I was gonna say actors, but like the main characters in the story. So it's really, really good. I'm not even halfway through the book. I think I'm like 20% in, and I love it. So I'm so excited to continue reading it. I'm gonna get in the shower, get out of this very, very tight dress, and get comfy. The shower was amazing, and look at what I found. My little clips. I knew I had some because I always pack them, and I have them in this little baggie, which keeps all my hairbrushes, toothpaste, mouthwash, all of that. But let's do our nighttime skincare routine. Even when I'm on vacation, you guys, I still make sure I do my routine. This is my little skincare bag. I actually got this at a yard sale for $5, and it is one of my favorite little yard sale purchases. Obviously, I know this is like one of those gift with purchase bags, but I just think it's so cute. And this is my nighttime skincare routine. Not only when I'm on vacation, but at home too. This is the La Roche-Posay Mela 33 serum, and it's a serum that helps with dark spots. So I've been applying this day and night. I think I'm like it's kind of hard to tell with this bottle, but I think I'm like more than halfway done with the bottle. So it feels really nice on the skin, and I hope it helps with these dark spots. I will keep you guys updated, because if it gets rid of these dark spots, then you know we found something good. But just press that into the skin. And then I've been using the Clarins double, I think it's called the double eye serum, but I didn't bring it with me just because it's pretty big. So I brought my First Aid Beauty retinol, and I also really like this. I am practically almost done with this. So this is the skin under our eyes is the most delicate skin. So I kind of press it and then I almost do like a little lymphatic massage. My nighttime skincare routine is very simple, and I've been using the e.l.f. Blue Tea Sleep Night Oil since I got it in PR, which was like a month ago, and I really like it. I feel like my skin in the mornings looks really nice and hydrated. So I just take one little thing of that. And then last, some lip oil. I'm actually gonna spray this. This is the pink drink from Sunday Riley. I went to their event last week and we tried all their products. They were so good. Ooh. Oh my God, that feels amazing on my skin. I feel like my skin is super dry. These magnifying mirrors they're scary. I don't know if I told you guys, but I did a little bit of gambling, Dennis and I. We didn't win. We lost all our monies. It took all our monies. We played Huff and Puff. We played Buffalo. It's okay. You win some, you lose some. Skincare is done. I'm about to change into my PJs. Every time I travel, I bring my Skims PJs because they're my favorite PJs. They're just so comfy. So we'll get into our PJs and get into bed.